Hey YouTube, so check this out. I got a brand new phone. This is a Samsung Galaxy A13. So this is my first look at it. Let's check it out. So here's the phone. I just got this today. So far I have no apps on it. This is all just your standard apps. But let's take a look at it so far. So far what I've done is just get some basic pictures on it. And the pictures are very good quality. So I bought this phone just to take to different car shows and stuff. So these are the pictures I've taken, and notice that these pictures are at night. The lens has some amazing pictures for it's I think a 50 plus megapixel camera, 52 or something. It's really good. So this was a beautiful Ferrari, and this was at 9 o'clock at night, so it was very dark out. And look at how the pictures turned out. The camera on this phone is very good, so I'm very impressed with that so far. So also here's a look at it from the back, since I was talking about the camera. So this phone has 3 cameras on it. Each one of them is different, and I'll label them here what they do so you can see them. Then it has a flash. This one also comes with a really nice paint job. This is a matte black finish. There's different finishes, there's a blue one, there's a white one, all that. And then it has your standard power up, the button on the side, the volume. Another reason I picked this one is because this one still has the 3.5mm headphone jack, which a lot of Apple phones don't have. But this phone is also very good because this one also you can unlock it with the fingerprint on the side, which I think is really cool because no iPhone has fingerprint unlock. And then another quick look, it's still got the slide down menu like you're used to. Has all the features of every other Galaxy, all that cool stuff. All the apps you'd expect. And then you go into settings. Let's check out the battery and all that. So this is just this is the battery how it came, and it's already got it can go for over 2 days, which is a very good battery. This is the amount of gigabytes it has, all that type of stuff. So you can kind of see the response to the screen is very fast. It's 90 frames a second, which is very good. So this phone just came out a few months ago, and I just saw this last week there, and I knew I had to get it for my phone collection for filming car shows, photography, all that. The main reason I wanted it was for the cameras, which are just amazing. So that's why I had to get it. So look how fast it types. The response on this, you can really see the refresh rate on the screen and all that. It's very amazing. I can't believe how fast I click and it's there. I really like this phone so far. So far I'd rate this very high rating.